Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to make some extra cash online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 platforms to earn money from the comfort of your home. These platforms are easy to use and perfect for anyone wanting to boost their income.
So let's dive right in.
First up, we have SproutGigs. SproutGigs is a micro-task website where you can complete small tasks for money. These tasks range from simple data entry and social media entry and social media engagement to more complex assignments like content writing. Payments
are usually made through PayPal or other digital wallets, making it convenient for users worldwide. If you have some spare time and want to earn a few bucks, SproutGigs is a great place to start. Next on our list is CoinPayU. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, this platform is perfect for you. CoinPayU allows you to earn Bitcoin by viewing ads, completing offers, and participating in surveys. It's a simple and effective way to accumulate crypto without any investment. Plus, it's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the world of digital currencies. Coming in at number 3 is ySense. Formerly known as ClickSense, ySense is a popular platform that offers multiple ways to earn money, including taking surveys, completing offers, and referring friends. ySense partners with major market research companies, so you'll have access to a wide variety of surveys. Payments can be received through PayPal, Skrill, or even gift cards. It's a reliable and well-established site in the online earning community. Our fourth pick is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most well-known rewards programs on the internet. You can earn Swagbucks points SB by shopping online, watching videos, taking surveys, and even playing games. These points can be redeemed for gift cards to your favorite retailers or PayPal Cash. With its wide range of earning options and user-friendly interface, Swagbucks is a favorite for many. Last but not least, we have InboxDollars. This platform pays you for various online activities, such as reading emails, taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos. It's a straightforward way to make some extra money during your free time. One of the best features of InboxDollars is the $5 sign-up bonus you get just for joining. Payments are made via check or gift cards, making it accessible for everyone. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 platforms to earn money online: SproutGigs, CoinPayU, ySense, Swagbucks, and InboxDollars. Each of these platforms offers unique ways to boost your income, so why not give them a try? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online.